What's that say?
Oh, it's recording now.
All right here, where there's no houses. Man, you hear English?
Dude, that is...
Go, stop, and then we'll go from right here.
Oh, okay.
And then I got...
You're talking to these people, right? Not the TV?
I was watching the TV.
Do I need to turn TV off?
No.
Turn, the people you're talking to are over here.
All right.
Twin turbos.
Maybe
speed.
just an intake and a turbo, not a 6-speed. I don't have the money for that.
All right, so I see you bought your first speed parts.
Oh, yeah.
So what'd you get?
I bought this because mine needed a new one. It was worn out, and it would just make my car run a lot better, get more air. But you can't just buy the air filter anymore. You have to buy the entire thing, which is dumb. They only sell square ones. And then bought new mufflers because I just wanted my truck to sound cooler and just run a little bit better.
These are pretty cool. So these are Flow Monsters. They came with a cool sticker, but these are Magnaflow? No, Flowmasters.
Flowmasters.
Cheaper brand. So same design, same company. They just are a little cheaper for a young rodder on a budget. So we're gonna do a little performance test this morning before we put the new speed parts on. We don't have a quarter mile or nothing, so we're just gonna do like driveway to driveway. Let's drive out to the firehouse and get the transmission and rear end warmed up.
Go.
Eleven 11.1 seconds. All right, that's our baseline. Are you done?
Huh?
Are you done? So it's so simple, even a teenager can do it.
Okay. You're funny.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, go.
Floor. Dang, 9.7. Just the air cleaner was worth a second and a half. So what you got here is a Dynamax C10 true dual exhaust system. These are the mufflers they come with. 2 1/4 center in, offset out. The kit actually fit really well. Went right up out. Picked up the factory mount back here. Added the mount here. We've had no problems with it at all. Going right into the headers. Fit really well. So we're going to change out these mufflers and see if we can make this thing sound any cooler and go any faster.
All right.
Huh? You got
Got a subwoofer.
just one?
I only need one.
Which one is it?
It's the Rockville USS10.
So 10-inch sub.
Yeah, pretty much.
That'll be pretty good in the truck. Are you putting that in today?
No, I'm gonna do the mufflers today since the truck's already up on the lift.
How many cars did you have to move to get the truck on the lift?
I only had to move 2.
Freaking cars everywhere around here. So what you got for mufflers?
Got the Flow Monsters. A little dusty, but
What is all this?
Other parts I don't have time to put on. Or
So what is this? The C10 parts table?
yes, it is. I've just been sitting here collecting parts and stuff to fix it up.
What's the plan? Like, what is all this?
This is the AC. This is all the stuff to do the AC, to make airflow. This is, I don't know what that is. Those are the radio mounts, radios. Got the wiring kit for the subwoofer. All the stuff to fix the leaking in the rear end. Extra stuff to maybe
Oh, what's that?
an old tachometer.
Nice.
Stuff that's just been sitting here for a while.
Don't want no more power?
I mean, if I want more power, I'll put a Gen 3 LS in it.
Oh, you'll just slap a Gen 3
Oh
LS
yeah,
in.
I'm sure it'll go amazing. I don't have to change nothing. I won't mess with the rear end, none of the suspension. But no. But if I do that, I would always I'll do the suspension first. Lower all the way to the ground, then later on put a bigger motor in it.
So suspension and brakes first.
Yeah, because I know if I put a Gen 3 in it and then go, it's gonna destroy something in the rear end.
So what do you got now? Right now you've got what? 2.5-inch drop spindles?
Mm-hmm.
And just KYBs, looks like.
It looks like you.
KYBs, stock springs. So I think you can go
3
2
inches.
more inches with drop springs
I think so. I'm not.
for a total of 4.5 up front before you have to start modifying stuff.
Yeah.
Back here,
To get to the tire tubs under.
so
You're gonna have to go through the frame.
we just cut the bed mount and put drop shackles in. But this mount, so you cut this off and you can get 2 more inches with an aftermarket forward spring mount. And then I think you're close to the, see right here, this is your issue.
Yeah.
That's your bumper. So if you want to go, let's see, we've already went 2. If you go 2 more, I think this has to be changed, but if you want to go any more, you're gonna have to do a C-notch on the frame. Which you take the bed off and they have a kit that cuts this off and gives you like 2 more inches of clearance, but welds in and gives back your strength. But we'll get there. So first plan, mufflers.
Yeah, first of all, we'll do the mufflers.
All right. Too high. Pull it down, the pipe. You have to hold it there. I can't see it if you just walk away. So that's pretty level with the rear bumper. I think that'll work. Yeah, that'll work. You gonna start it up?
Yeah.
See what it sounds like? New mufflers. I think the air cleaner improvement was what, from like 11 something to like
12 to 9.
We'll have to go back through the video when we edit it and find out, but we had a huge improvement with just the air cleaner. Let's see what we get with mufflers. It already sounds better. Sounds quieter.
It's a lot quieter.
Spring is in the air. Actually, pollen is in the air. You weren't even flooring it, were you?
You go 60 to 55 and 80 and 60. Yeah.
Come to a stop and then say go and I'll hit the start.
All right.
Complete stop.
All right.
Wait, okay. Ready?
Ready? Oh, you do it.
And go. We're done with the test drive, done playing with it. What is your thoughts on the mods you purchased?
It's fine. I'm happy with the results that came out. It sounds amazing.
I'm impressed with how quiet it is now cruising. Before you could barely talk at 60 and now it's nice and quiet. So we'll probably have to do a little bit of adjustments.
Yeah, fine tuning it because it needs it now. It's got a better exhaust system.
Okay. So you can see those are real world numbers. It's a little bit warmer today than it was on the initial tests, but you can see we picked up 2 or 3 seconds 0 to 60 just with air filter and mufflers, and we got a much better sounding truck. It's quieter, and we'll keep modding it from there. You still planning on what? Slamming it in the weeds, Gen 3 LS,
Have the rear end tires, everything.
twin turbos,
Maybe
speed.
just an intake and a turbo, not a 6-speed. I don't have the money for that.
Oh, but you got money for a Gen 3 LS?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well, hope you enjoyed this episode. Hope you enjoyed the C10. We don't get to work on it much because he works his life away like a good teenager should. But stay tuned. We'll work on something even faster next time.
Yeah.